Hello everyone and a very big welcome to my channel. So right now we are going to be looking at this question and then finding an equation for h of t that would represent the number of healthy students at any point throughout the semester. So let's just look at the question. Let h represent the number of healthy students, and then every week 0.5% of these healthy students get sick. At the same time, each week 100 students recover and are healthy again. So we are going to find the equation h of t for the number of healthy students at any point throughout the semester. But then we are going to assume that 30,000 students were healthy at the start of the semester. So for this question, we are simply going to try to get every information we can get from from this paragraph and try to work with it. So what do we know? We know that h of t, let's call it the healthy students at the given time, and let's call that given time the beginning of the semester. Before the first week, there were 30,000 healthy students, and then every week, this is what happens every week, 0.5% of the healthy students get sick, and 0.5% is the same thing as 0.5 over 100, which gives us 0.005 h of t. And for every week 0.005 of healthy students at that given time get sick, 100 students recover. So because of this change, we are going to have this expression. Let's call it the h of t over the t. This is how the healthy students change with respect to time. So for every week, 0.005 of healthy students fall sick, thereby leaving the healthy group. And that same week, 100 students recover and become healthy again. So you can understand why I use the positive and negative signs. So furthermore, we can see that this looks like something we can integrate by simply putting like terms together, and we do that by moving everything at the right hand side to the left hand side, and this would give us 1 over minus 0.05 h of t plus 100. The h of t equals the t. So clearly we can integrate now. So integrating this, we can integrate this left hand side using our u substitution. So let's say that our u is this denominator minus 0.005 h of t plus 100. This means that our du would be minus 0.005 d h dt, and this also means that the dh dt would be du all over minus 0.005. So moving on, this means we are going to be replacing dh dt with du all over minus 0.005. And this also implies that our du all over 0.005 has a constant, which is 1 over minus 0.005. So if we are going to be rewriting this would give us where the h of t becomes du all over minus 0.005 all over minus 0.005, but then this minus 0.005 becomes a constant, so I'm going to feel free to put it out here, 0.005, and now we have just the u here. But then we see that our denominator is our u, so we are going to be wiping all of this off and calling it u. So now we have 1 over u du equals dt. So we are going to go ahead to integrate this, and integrating this would have 1 over minus 0.005. The integral of 1 over u is natural log of u equals the integral of the t is t plus c. So we are going to be replacing u with the actual value of u, which is this. Let's just grab this. We're going to copy this, and here we have, meanwhile, 1 over minus 0.005 is the same thing as minus 200 natural log of our value for u, which is this, natural log of this, and here we have plus t equals t plus c. Right. So the next thing we are going to do is we want to find the value of our c. So to find the value of our constant, we remember that we had this information at the beginning where we said that the number of healthy students at the beginning of the semester was 3,000. So using this information, we are going to rewrite this expression where t is 0. So where t is 0, here everything at my left hand side equates to c, because 0 plus c is c. So now we are going to have minus 200 natural log minus 0.005 times h of 0, that's times 3,000, would be minus 150 plus 100 equals c. So this would give us minus 200 natural log minus 50 equals c, and this would give us 200 natural log of 50 is equals c. So moving ahead, let's grab this. This is a general form. Let's grab this, copy this, let's put it down here. So we have this, and we also have that our value of c is this. This is our value of c. We're going to copy this, bring it over to the next slide. We have, this is our value of c. So we can as well remove this c and replace it with the value of c. Oh, that's my pen messing up there. So we can as well move this c. Okay, we just have, I don't know why this is acting up. We have 200 natural log of 50, which is our c. Yeah, I think I should just wipe that. 200 natural log of 50, which is our C. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to tear apart all the parts of our left hand side so that we can find an expression for h of t. And to do that, we can start by dividing both sides by minus 200. And when we do that, for this side we would have natural log of this h of t plus 100 equals t all over minus 200 minus natural log of 50. So the next thing we do is we're going to apply our exponent so that our natural log goes away. So now we have exponent of this and exponent of this. So the exponent of this removes our natural log, and now we have minus 0.005 h of t plus 100 equals e raised to power minus t over 200 times e raised to power natural log of minus 50. And this e cancels this, and once it cancels it, we have just minus 50 left here. So this is times minus 50. Okay, so moving on, we're going to remove 100 from the left hand side. So this would be minus 0.005 h of t equals minus 50 exponent of minus t over 200 minus 100. And for our value of h of t, we would have to divide each term, this term and this term, by minus 0.005. So to do that, you could just grab your calculator. Minus 50 divided by minus 0.005, that gives us 1000 exponent of t minus t divided by 200 minus 100 divided by minus 0.005, that gives us plus 20,000. Let me punch my calculator to make sure I am super correct. Yeah, yes, this gives us 20,000, and 50 gives us 10,000. So we actually have 10,000 here. So this becomes our answer. The expression for the number of healthy students at any time in the semester is given by 1000 exponent raised to power minus t divided by 200 plus 20,000. So this is our answer. I hope you liked my video. If you did, tap on the like button, click on the subscribe button, comment, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching this video.